Hey, my construction entrepreneurs, Tyrone here, and what I wanted to touch on today is something I've been going through all this week is, my time. Got quite a bit of things going on, and I find myself being, sucked down different holes where it, takes up more of my time than I allotted for that particular task. Whether that be me having to be on a job because someone didn't show up. Me being on a job for changes happening to that particular project, or whether materials not delivered and I'm on the site and have to deal with it, or get a phone call and have to deal with it, not able to pass it off to someone else. And what do you do to make sure you get the things that you need done that are on your to-do list, and still take care of this fire, this ASAP problem, right? Because a lot of us as business owners, we're firefighters, right? We put out fires. That's what we do. And you have to be good at putting out fires to continue in business. You got to know how to find solutions so you can move to the next problem. So this is what I was dealing with today, is this problem after issue after issue, nonstop. And not only did it take my time, it took my energy, took my focus. And I still had to get back to the basics and do what was on my to-do list. So for me, I enjoy these moments, and it may sound just as simple as this. I just take it as a lesson. And there's some of these things I deal with, I have dealt with this or similar things before, but I always remember that in the moment, the problem or the issue seems worse. It seems like you never dealt with it before, but we have dealt with things that have had a greater impact. Okay, a lot of times we're dealing with minor issues, but because it's compiled or compound on top of other issues, it just magnifies it blows up. But sometimes you just got to step back and really just analyze it, and sometimes it doesn't even warrant your attention at that particular time, and you have to remember that. Maybe I need to set this to the side because so what is the worst case? What is going to happen? What can happen if I do nothing? What's the worst that can happen? Oh, that's not bad at all. What? That someone not getting a tool, or I don't know what it is. But when you look at the worst case scenario of that issue, of that problem, it really puts things in the category of priorities. And I just deal with it as that. Just analyzing a few things and putting things in perspective and where they need to be, and just deal with it, not allow that issue at that moment to gain its own gravity. A lot of times we run into issues and these issues gain their own gravity, and the weight of them are really not a whole lot. It's because everything is going on. So you have to remember that looking at that problem by itself, you have to step outside of that and look at that issue and take care of it or address it when it needs to be addressed. Okay, and then continue on with your list, your tasks, so you can get things done, and not so you can be busy, but so you can be productive. Okay, you want to be productive and you want to get things done. Okay, you remember, as a small business owner, you need to be getting paid every week. So that's your main priority. How do I get paid this week? Okay, who do I need to remind to pay me this week? What invoice I need to submit? What invoice am I getting paid on this week? Who got my money? Grant Cardone says. So that's your focus, getting that out. And I just want to give some tips Hopefully it all makes sense and I'm not just rambling and excited. If you have a comment, you want to join in and mention something or add a few 2 cents to it, go ahead and comment below. I would love to hear the comments there, and talk to you guys soon. See you guys on the next one, and keep up the hard work. And remember, hustle hard and then hustle harder. Go get it. Go get it.